The world of foldable smartphones is evolving faster than anyone expected, and Samsung continues to lead the charge. With each generation, the Galaxy Z Fold lineup has redefined what a smartphone can be. Now, whispers and leaks surrounding the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 are surfacing, and fans are eager to know every little detail. What secrets is Samsung hiding? What hidden upgrades could make this foldable not just a luxury gadget, but a mainstream powerhouse? Today, let's uncover the secrets of the Samsung Z Fold 7 you need to know right now. Samsung took a massive gamble back in 2019 when it introduced the first Galaxy Fold. Many critics thought foldables were a gimmick, but Samsung doubled down, refining the technology year after year. The Z Fold 2 improved the hinge. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Z Fold 3 introduced water resistance and S Pen support. The Z Fold 4 made productivity smoother. The Z Fold 5 enhanced durability and slimmed down the design. The upcoming Z Fold 7 represents not just an upgrade, but a potential revolution. One of the biggest secrets about the Z Fold 7 lies in its hinge. According to insider reports, Samsung is developing a frictionless, lighter, and more durable hinge. This could reduce the crease significantly, making the inner display feel more like a traditional slab phone. Some rumors even suggest dust-resistant certification, a major step up for long-term durability. The Z Fold 7 is expected to feature Samsung's most advanced Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, but here's the secret. It may include new ultra-thin glass, UTG, technology that's thinner, more flexible, and less reflective. This would mean a brighter display outdoors, smoother 120 Hz refresh, and potentially lower power consumption. For foldable fans, this is huge because it means less eye strain and longer usage on a single charge. Samsung has always partnered with Qualcomm, but the Z Fold May 7th come with a custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chip, offering exclusive AI performance boosts. This could make multitasking on a Fold smoother than ever. Imagine running 3 apps side by side without a hiccup. That's the level of performance Samsung wants to deliver. Battery life has been a consistent issue for foldables, but the Z Fold May 7th secretly features stacked battery technology. This new innovation allows Samsung to increase capacity while keeping the device slim. Leaks suggest up to 5,200 mAh, with 45W fast charging and possibly improved wireless power share. While the Fold series has never been marketed as a camera phone, the Z Fold 7 could change that. Sources hint at AI-powered photography, including enhanced nightography, multi-frame AI HDR, and 100x digital zoom with less noise. The inner under-display camera may also get a major resolution upgrade, making video calls sharper and less pixelated. Here's one of the most important secrets. Samsung plans to push Galaxy AI integration even further. The Z Fold 7 could feature AI tools like Live Translate for calls and video chats, AI-powered multitasking layouts, Smart Note AI summaries when using the S Pen. This isn't just about hardware. Samsung wants the Fold 7 to be a pocket-sized AI workstation. Samsung knows productivity is the heart of the Fold series. The Z Fold